In this video, I will show you how to leverage the power of Claude AI to build a perfectly optimized website structure that boosts your SEO and improves user experience. Creating content is only half the battle, because if your website organization is messy, search engines will have a hard time understanding what your brand is actually about. We are going to build a logical silo structure from scratch, which is the foundation of any successful WordPress site. To get started, you need to open Claude and give it a specific persona. You should tell the AI to act as a seasoned SEO expert with years of experience in technical architectural design. Your prompt should ask it to brainstorm a logical website silo structure for your specific niche. For the best results, specifically ask the AI to provide 4 main parent categories and 3 highly specific subcategories for each one. This ensures your site has both depth and clarity. Once Claude generates this list, you will have a clean structural blueprint ready for implementation. Now, head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Posts section followed by the Categories menu. Begin by adding your 4 main parent categories exactly as Claude suggested. After those are saved, start adding the subcategories. When you create a subcategory, make sure to use the parent drop-down menu to assign it to its respective top-level category. This simple step creates a hierarchy that tells Google exactly how your content relates to itself. By following this method, you avoid the common mistake of having a flat site structure where everything is buried and hard to find. Using Claude helps you find keywords and topics you might have overlooked while ensuring your site remains easy to navigate as it grows. Take this blueprint and start organizing your content today for better rankings and more traffic.